Gracie, get out of there and bring a hammer up here and put it up here now.
I want to hold the ball, Dad.
No.
He's
It's not
on
like that.
Daddy's
It's not
shoulder.
like that, dude. He's a wild bird. He's gonna go home.
I want to hold the ball.
He's like so content sitting on your lap.
Bring the hammer up here and set it down
Oh
there.
my God, he did that. He shook it. He sat right back down.
Hi, the devil.
See my new pet. What? You see my new pet? My pet. Yeah, bird, wild bird. A wild, it's a starling. Yeah. Just came over hanging, started hanging out and shit. Yeah, he's in my just hanging out with me.
He's 3.
Yeah.
That's so cool. Is he a baby?
Yeah, he came yesterday too.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
Dad. Can I go right now?
No, I can't. I gotta go right in the house. Buddy. I appreciate it. Unless you want to walk down, but you gotta. I'm going right in the house.
Yeah,
Yeah, you can.
You can walk down and come right back.
yeah, as long as you come right back. As long as it comes right back.
You want to come down?
No, you don't have shoes on, Jason. Yeah.
I need to get my shoes now. Wait for me to get my shoes.
I broke my foot and I forgot to tell him. I got my knee done. I forgot to tell him I got a broken foot.
Oh God. How did you forget that?